Hi. Are you new to the apartment building?
Yes, my name is Judy. I've recently moved to this building.
Nice to meet you, Judy. I am Michael. I live on the 8th floor, apartment number 806.
I live on the 9th floor at apartment number 906.
Hey, you live right above me.
That's funny. I hope I'm not too noisy. I've been moving furniture around.
That's okay. It doesn't bother me. Have you met any other neighbors of the building?
Yes. I met a few people. Everyone seems quite friendly here.
Yeah. Every month, we have a party on the rooftop. It's actually a potluck, so you can bring a dish to share.
That sounds fun. I love parties and potlucks.
Our next one is on Saturday at 5 p.m. You should come. I am bringing my favorite famous lasagna.
Sounds delicious. I will make a chocolate cake.
I love chocolate cake. I can't wait to try it.
Thanks for letting me know about the party.
You're welcome. There should be an invitation in your mailbox. Everyone gets one.
I better check the mailbox then. I still have so much unpacking to do.
Do you need any help moving any more furniture?
No thanks. My brother helped me last night. I am done with the big items. Now I just need to unpack pots and pans and dishes now.
Okay. Let me know if you need any help. See you at the party.
Thank you and have a nice day. We have a wonderful chat.